Hello all. Today we will be familiarizing an option named group. Group option allows developers to organize the assets, actors and other elements within the editor into logical groups. So let's start. Click on this button, then shapes and click on cube. So you will get a cube here. Use the axis to move it to the proper position. Next step is to duplicate the cube. Press Alt and use the axis to move. You will get a duplicate cube. Arrange the position. Next, we are going to group these two. Select both, right click and then click on group. Now you can see that both objects are grouped together. If we are trying to move, both will move together only. So, in the cases that we need to access the elements individually, right click, then select group and then select unlock. Now try to use scale button to scale the box. You will be able to scale or move the box individually. So if we want to group again, then right click, group and then click lock again. So now it is grouped again, not grouped, it was already grouped. We just unlocked and now we will be able to move it together. Thanks for watching.